we will simplify the expression and show every step clearly and quickly. Here is the expression to simplify. Important note: for the expression to be defined, sine theta is not 0, cosine theta is not 0, and tangent theta is not equal to 1. Step 1. Replace cotangent theta with 1 over tangent theta. Step 2. Work on the first fraction. 1 minus 1 over tangent becomes tangent minus 1 over tangent. Dividing by a fraction, multiply by its reciprocal to get tangent squared over tangent theta minus 1. Step 3. Now, the second fraction. Write it as 1 over tangent times 1 over 1 minus tangent. Notice 1 minus tangent equals negative of tangent minus 1, giving a negative sign. Step 4. Use a common denominator. Multiply the first fraction by tangent over tangent. Then combine the numerators to get tangent cubed minus 1 over tangent times tangent minus 1. Step 5. Use the difference of cubes. Factor tangent cubed minus 1 as tangent minus 1 times tangent squared plus tangent plus 1. Then cancel the common factor tangent minus 1. Step 6. Split the fraction term by term. Tangent squared over tangent gives tangent. Tangent over tangent gives 1. 1 over tangent gives cotangent. The simplified result is 1 plus tangent theta plus cotangent theta. Recap. The original expression simplifies to 1 plus tangent theta plus cotangent theta under the stated domain conditions.
Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple, one video at a time, only on MyVerse Maths.